and protein absorption, and the important things to kind of keep in mind. I'm kind of having a stress theme this week, and I'm in my car right now because I'm hiding from my kids. Shh, so they don't interrupt me right now. I just wanted to do this really quick. So a few things here. I just made a quick card so you guys can reference this. This is again the intestine here, and then these are different size molecules of the food that you're eating. Again, soy is enormous, huge molecule. You know, then dairy and meat. Does that say berry? Sorry, I was trying to write this backwards. Dairy, that's what I meant to say. Dairy is in meat proteins like whey protein here, and then other plant-based proteins. So soy, it doesn't matter what kind of soy it is, your body's not going to be able to break it down. I covered that in a different video, but these other types of proteins are easier to break down and absorb. But when your body's under stress, it has a really hard time functioning properly. So what happens is that your intestinal system does not run like it normally does when you're not under extreme stress. When you're under stress, your entire intestine does not go through peristalsis, which is the process of moving the food and stuff through your digestive system as well. So what happens to these cells here is they get really irritated. They can get inflamed. They have problems pushing food along, and so they just get really mad like that. Now that's going to actually cause you to decrease the absorption of a lot of the nutrients that you're trying to get in your body, which is not usually what you're thinking is going to be helpful. I want more nutrients. I'm under stress. My body's trying to recover and go through these things. Yes, but keep in mind that because of the stress, your body's not absorbing normally because of the decreased, digestive system process. So you're going to need to increase the nutrients that you're taking in normally. Sometimes people will up their dose of vitamins or whatever, or herbs that can help increasing your protein again, because we talked about increasing protein because your body's natural tendency to take protein and turn it into sugar when you're under stress, and then you store that sugar, and that's how you gain weight. Great. Well, no, we don't like that, but that's kind of what happens. So increasing your protein to combat that is important. Also, eating non-inflammatory foods is going to be important as well. So inflammatory foods are things like dairy can be inflammatory for a lot of people. Gluten, red meat, sugar is very inflammatory. And the tough thing about sugar is that when you're under stress, your nervous system really wants sugar, a lot of sugar. So keep that in mind, and increasing your healthy fats actually helps to decrease the inflammation in your body, and it will help your body not crave sugar as much. So, quick tips for digestion when you're under stress, because it does change things. It's not your normal digestion when your body is under a lot of stress. So, key tips then to combat stress because your body's not digesting properly: up your proteins then, as well as non-inflammatory foods. Keep that in mind. Spices can sometimes be inflammatory for people as well. But to improve your digestion, kombucha. If you've not heard of this, go to the store, try it. It's phenomenal. They've got natural probiotics in it, a lot of digestive enzymes. It will help push things along and increase your digestive system naturally. And it's kind of a funky taste, acquired taste, we'll say, but it's super healthy for you, super good for you. So try it, and it will help boost your digestion. The other really important thing about your body being under stress is that with your digestive system being decreased in normal activity, it will also impact your immune system. Your immune system lives in your digestive tract. So keep that in mind when you're under stress. A lot of people get sick because of that. So stay healthy, stay strong with lots of good proteins, and non-inflammatory foods. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And I'm going to be diving into more about cell cleansing in my next video tomorrow, and talking about how that works, why that works, how that really flushes out stress, and specifics on the body's reaction from stress with cell cleansing. So stay tuned for that. And if you guys have any questions, message me or comment below. All right, have a great night. Yay!